the goal is just the truth. So can men get pregnant?
Napaka-basic lang kasi nito. It's really a very basic question na ayaw sagutin ng mga trans advocate because ayaw nilang mawalan sila ng customer. Can men get pregnant? And when we say men, it's the biological men.
Again, the reason I paused there is I'm not really sure what the goal of the
The
question
goal is just to establish a biological reality. You just said a moment ago that science and evidence should control, not politics. So let's just test that proposition. Can men get pregnant?
I take care of people with many identities, but
Can men
I
get
take care
pregnant?
of many women that can get pregnant. I do take care of people that don't identify as women. That
Can men get pregnant?
again, as I'm saying,
Let me just remind you what you testified to a moment ago. Science and evidence should control, not politics. So can men get pregnant? You're a
totally
doctor, I
agree.
think.
Science and evidence should guide medicine.
Do science and evidence tell us that men can get pregnant? Biological men, can they get pregnant?
I also think yes/no questions like this are a political tool. And
No, yes, no questions are about the truth, doctor. Let's not make a mockery of this proceeding.
Naku, na yung naawa dun sa doktor. Grabe, no? Paano niya haharapin yung mga customer niya na, di ba, hinada niya ng hinada yung ego onto, well, you deserve what you deserve because, well, empowered, chuchu. But a simple scientific question, hindi niya masagot.
This is about science and evidence, and I'm asking you, the United States Supreme Court just heard arguments yesterday at great length on this question. This is not a hypothetical question. This is not theoretical. It affects real people in their real lives. And you're here as an expert, called by the other side as an expert, and you've been telling us that you follow, right, you're a doctor, and you follow the science and the evidence. So I just want to know, based on the science, can men get pregnant? That's a yes or no question. It really is, I think.
I think you're trying to reduce the complexity of a lot.
I'm not. I'm trying to get, it's not complex. I'm trying to get to an answer, and I'm trying to test, frankly, your veracity as a medical professional and as a scientist. Can men get pregnant?
I think you're also conflating
This is
male
extraordinary.
and female with
No, I'm not conflating male and female. They're two different things. There's biological men and there's biological women. And I want to know, can men get pregnant?
What you were talking about is biological.
You're not going to answer my question, it sounds like.
Biological males.
This isn't hard, doctor. Can men get pregnant? Yes or no?
Again, I would be more than happy to have a conversation with you that is not coming from a place of trying to be polarized and push.
I'm not trying to be polarizing. I'm trying to ask, I think it is extraordinary that we are here in a hearing about science and about women. And for the record, it's women who get pregnant, not men.
Yan yung matindi ngayon sa movement ng LGBT. They twist reality in accordance to or kung kailan papabor sa kanila. Di ba? Empowered ako pag may gusto akong makuha, victim ako pag may gusto akong makuha. They cannot even be intellectually honest with themselves anymore. Tapos ang malupit pa doon, aawayin nila yung mga naunang LGBT. Kasi nga, hindi sila sinusuportahan doon sa delusion nila. And ayaw nilang tanggapin that most of the hard things, lalo na sa paglaban ng karapatan nila, ay ginawa na ng mga naunang LGBT sa kanila. So there's really nothing left for them to put up, lalo na sa isang napakawalang kwentang battle na to, because your lives are already as free as ours. What more do you want?
This is Pinoy Extreme.